Hello everyone. My name is Natalia and I'm a PhD student at Ohio University. Today I want to introduce to you a presentation tool that will help you to have your presentation more interactive and help you communicate with the audience throughout the presentation. And I do encourage you to use it in your teaching and presenting at the conferences, especially if you're working with a bigger audience, so everyone stays engaged at all times. So the name of the tool that I want to use is easy, and it's called Poll Everywhere. You can find it by easily Googling it, and the website for it is polleverywhere.com. To get a account with them is relatively easy, and you just have to provide your basic information, and I'm using my email to be working with this tool. So the way it works, you can either use it for free or you can use paid options, and depending on the field that you're engaged in, the prices vary, and the things that you can do with this tool are also different. So for instance, if you are a part of the higher education, you can use the free tool, and that's what I'm using, and I can get up to 40 responses per poll. Unfortunately, I can't choose my username. That's why my username has a lot of numbers at the end, but it may not matter for you that much, so it is okay with me. You can embed the polls into the PowerPoint, do the full screen web presentations. You can use different types of questions and customize the looks and styles. And these are the options that are not available for you. Like, for instance, you can't use it within the Blackboard, or you do not get to use the custom keywords in your Poll Everywhere. But I do believe that you may not necessarily need to purchase it to use it, because it nicely works even with the free version. So I wanted to show you different questions that they have for you. So I have already created a couple polls, and to create a poll, you just have to go to Create. And these are the different options that you have and the different types of questions that you can use in your presentation. So for instance, multiple choice, word cloud, Q&A, rank order, clickable image, for instance, on the map, survey, open-ended questions, donut charts, discussion, brainstorm, and so ever. So the way it works, I want to demonstrate you one. So for instance, you want to ask your audience a multiple choice questions. So, how old are you? And you can say, for instance, 15, 25, or 26, 35. And then you hit Create. Sorry, I just couldn't do that because of the recording. And then after you hit Create, it shows you the different ways your participants may enter the poll. So, for instance, they can just use this link, and they will automatically be able to participate in the poll. Or if they don't have the access to the internet, they can simply text their answer to this number and text my username, and afterwards they will be asked the question and they can submit their response. There's a test button, and it lets you to try out the poll before you are using it in the class. So it is just an easy way to make sure that your audience stays with you on the same page throughout the whole presentation. And you can also embedded into your either PowerPoint or Keynote if you're an Apple user, Google Slides, and the way it's gonna look, you would not need to go back to the Poll Everywhere website. It will simply stay on your slide, and the answers will automatically update on it. So Poll Everywhere is a free tool that you can use, and obviously you can purchase more advanced options for it. However, I think it is a tool that will help you to keep your presentation more engaging and make sure that your audience is still paying attention, or does still know what's happening and is connected to what you're saying. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you have a good day.